Tonight, the distance of a few hundred yards could detour Spokane County's hopes of sending a suspected killer to death row. Christopher Devlin is accused of gunning down a state's witness the day before he was to offer key testimony in court, but his trial could be moved to another county. Jeff Humphrey joins us now. Jeff, why are prosecutors so anxious for the death penalty?
Well, Dave, witnesses showing up alive and well in court is critical to the workings of our criminal justice system. Devlin allegedly used a bullet to silence the man who was about to testify against him, and prosecutors don't want that to happen again.
In the spring of 2006, Christopher Devlin was heading to trial for breaking into a man's home and assaulting him. The victim, Daniel Healy, was supposed to take the stand May 14th, but never showed up. Detectives say that's because the night before, Devlin shot the key witness in his case and left the victim's body in his pickup truck. Investigators suspected Devlin's involvement even before Healy's remains were discovered.
They went down and they located the principal players in the trial, started doing investigations and interviews, and based on the investigation and interviews, were able to develop probable cause to arrest the two subjects.
One of those two subjects, Carl Hoskins, implicated Devlin in the killing, but surprised investigators by saying the victim wasn't murdered in Deer Park where his body was found. Devlin allegedly fired the fatal shots several miles away across the Stevens County line.
We believe that the proper venue is Stevens County, and that this case should be moved to Stevens County because of Mr. Devlin's constitutional rights to have it tried where the crime was committed.
Today, Devlin's defense team asked their client's trial be moved to Stevens County, but the prosecutor there says he doesn't have the budget for a $1.5 million death penalty case.
This is a Spokane County case. They started this prosecution. Prosecution is proper here. And it's my position, Judge, that I will not file this case in Stevens County.
So now the court is wrestling with whether or not it's legal to try Devlin here in Spokane, even though the homicide probably occurred in Stevens County. That's why tonight it's possible that Devlin may actually escape the death penalty because of geographic boundaries on a map. Reporting in Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.